So I got two calls I just picked up in New Orleans. I'm going to Houston with it. Um, my total payout is about $1,250. After fuel, I make about $1,000 in about 6 hours, and then I'll head back to New Orleans. I was getting off the interstate getting fuel, and I always check, my truck, and I heard a little clicking noise. Looked under the truck, couldn't find nothing. Checked everything under the truck, then I got back in the truck and was pulling off. I kept hearing the clicking noise, so came to the wheel, and this is what I discovered. So I have lost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 studs. So I got off to an early start this morning. Thought I was gonna be in Houston about 12:01. Be back home about 7, 8. Don't think that's gonna happen. So made it to the truck stop. Truck stop guys don't work on them. I changed them before, so I'm gonna go ahead and head to the parts store and get the parts for it and go ahead and change it. So here I am. It's been exactly let's see, 9:58. I started 10 o'clock. Say more or less 10, and this is how far I've gotten. So I have took the wheels off, took studs off, hit the brokens are right there. It's got all off. I'm about to head to the auto parts store to get the parts, come back and put it on, and get back on the road. Try to drop these two cars off before 5-ish and pick the other one up. So yeah, headed to the parts store now. Just made it to the parts store. Let me see, I am took me 26 minutes to get here. Thank you, man.
Thank you. You have a good day, man.
You too.
No,
Spent about $244. Wasn't bad. Oh, let's see what time it is. It is 11:38. So put everything on now. Want to put the wheel on, and as you can see, the lugs are shorter than the factory ones, so I got to take these back off, bring them get my money back, see if they got the right size. If not, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Yeah, so back on the road. Still on schedule for the two drop off and the one pickup. It says 6:06. So basically, the lady sold me the wrong studs for the tires. They was too short. So what I did was I just took and put 2 steel wheels on one side and 2 aluminum wheels on one side till I get back to New Orleans. Figure out where I'm gonna get the rest of them from, because they say they on backup, so nobody can't really get them. But yeah, back on the road again. So yeah, just made it to Houston. Probably about a total of 5 minutes away from drop off. Still made good timing, but it's not the right time. I wanted to make it a little bit earlier, because by the time I get to Lafayette and come back, it's just gonna be too late. Pull in, and then once I pull in, it's gonna give me some stickers to put on the windshield, some ties to put around the keys, to put around the steering wheel. I'm gonna find a parking spot, take my pictures, and that's it. But in this game, man, you want to make sure you You don't spend too much of your profit. You mainly want to save, man. Don't buy too much equipment either. Just focus on what you got and what you're trying to do, because it's always gonna be a breakdown, a blown tire or something. So just make sure you got a little money saved on the side, man. And that's shit. Shit, and that's about it, man. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it if you want to. But I got a lot more content coming, man. If you want to learn how to get in this game, just let me know. It ain't hard, man. I started off with a pickup truck and a trailer. Then I moved to a 2-car hauler. Now I'm in the process of getting a 6-car hauler. So yeah, man, I walked away with $750, man. After fuel and the parts, $750. It could have been worse, but luckily I know how to do parts myself, man. So took a little loss, but not nothing major.